Hello everyone, welcome to Frank's coaching classes. And this is Smita Frank with Frank Coaching Classes. We are into teaching for TOEFL, IELTS, PT as well as spoken English from last 18 years. I have come up with the sample answers for speaking questions so that the students can be able to score at least not less than 8 bands and above 8 bands, right? And the purpose is to help the students to score and have the best command over the language, because the examiners want the better command over the language, the variations they can have in the language, and that's why they keep you asking on why questions again and again so that you can describe more. So there are variety of phrases, idioms is used in your answers. So let us start with part 1. The first question for part 1 is, are you a morning or an afternoon person? Why? Sample answer: I am not a morning guy for sure. I wake up reasonably early as per my standard at around 7 in the morning. Ideally daily waste time to read newspaper, chat with friends on WhatsApp or Facebook, have my breakfast and listen to music. Then I take steamy shower because I have a profound love for cleanliness. Thus, I term myself as an afternoon person. The next question you can see is, what part of your day do you like the most? From about 10 o'clock to noon, that is when I have to take care of my work and things are a bit hectic. So I have free time during the evening and especially during the weekends. So I guess I could say that evening time I like the best. Yeah, just we'll dive to the next set of questions, and that is a clue card for you. Now, clue card is very helpful. The main purpose for you to see the clue card is, describe a service from a company or a shop, what the service was, when and where you received the service, whom you were with, explain how you felt about the service. Well, regarding some excellent service that I received, I must say that I was really impressed by a company, Travelokia, which provided me with a booking service for flight and a hotel reservation. Previously, we would just book a package tour from a travel agent, and they would take care of all the expenses and itinerary for us. However, this time I wanted to do everything on my own, including ticket booking and choosing the hotel and planning the trip. Thanks to my friend's recommendation, I tried booking flight tickets online from a website called travelokia.com. This website provides user-friendly platform for the users to search and book the flights and hotel rooms. Next part of the answer is on the next slide, because you have to speak for 2 minutes actually. So your answer should be lengthy enough. At first, I had a lot of doubts over this website since I had never bought plane tickets online before. However, after browsing this site, I was quite impressed by the site's smartly designed layout and easy to follow content. Furthermore, it took only few minutes to find the plane tickets. Another good point to mention about the service was how quick and convenient the payment was. They offered a variety of payment methods such as credit card, bank transfer, or direct debit, which would suit customers' need. Thanks to Travelokia, I managed to book the plane tickets at a reasonable price and at lightning speed. This is the answer for the clue card. Now, this is the third part where some of the questions are there. The length is not actually fixed, but you can't give one sentence answer. You have to be descriptive in the part 3 also. So, the question for this is, how important is time management according to you? Time management is the key to success. Time management has never been crucial as it is in this academic year. This process of time management eliminates unwanted activities and provides more time for important activities while assisting smooth process in the academic pursuits. Right? Just see the next question, the part 3, and the sample answers also, how it could be answered. The next question is, so how do we manage time efficiently? To manage time efficiently, a list of all activities, that is planned schedule. Do the work according to the priority. Also list the activities you are not able to pursue due to paucity of time, such as new hobby, etc. Then classify the activities according to urgency and importance. Thus, by understanding and implementing the concept of time management, one can work efficiently. The third question is, how do people in your country feel about protecting historical buildings? The sample answer is, I think people have started understanding the importance of old buildings. They understand that the treasure needs to be preserved. Today, most of the people agree that a building is an important part of history. But main important factor missing is the protection of the building's atmosphere, which is not enough to keep the bricks and mortar from falling apart. Secondly, enough care is also missing to restore the structure of the building due to the insufficient funds. It seems sometimes that old buildings are forbidden places. Right? So this is how you can give the suitable answer, and upgrading your language you can show that how much command you have over the language.